We're here on the bus on the way to Mayport. We're gonna be on a we're going on a Navy vessel today. We're here with my boy Bobby. You gotta plug my YouTube. What's your YouTube? Okay, well I'll give you his YouTube when he knows it. Got the rank up in here, PO3. But yeah, we're going on an ROTC field trip, so everyone here is in uniform. Hey, that's Gage back there. We don't like Gage. But yeah, I'll get back to y'all. This is Bobby's YouTube. They can't even see it. Oh yeah, subscribe. It's Aqua Napalm. But I'll get back to y'all when we get to the base.
There's a submarine behind the ship. Can we go ramming speed? Behind the boat. Ramming speed!
We're here at Mayport, Florida.
That is B-E-R-T-H-I-N. Martin, to your right, you'll see a Coast Guard cutter.
Look, they're doing a job. They're guarding the coast. It has ribbons. It has ribbons.
Gunner's made. Why does it have ribbons?
Its flag is adorable. Its flag is adorable.
No, look
It's
at
so
the flag.
small.
Look at the flag.
It's so small.
God, have mercy on me. I can't smell
Look,
right.
an actual gun on the Coast Guard boat.
Oh my God. Look at that more.
Look at it.
Look at all those chickens.
Hey, look at all the ribbons. Oh, yeah, ribbons.
Look at that gun.
I got ribbons. Martin, you should be proud. It's got 5 stripes. That's JROTC ribbons. And then
Okay, so directly to our right here is a cruiser, the USS Vicksburg.
That's my favorite one, number 69.
That's CG-69.
cruising for a
Yeah, you see the baby ship nestling with his mothership.
The mothership does not like someone being aboard the baby ship. Or sergeant. When are we going to get out of the one? That's like a story.
Not to go hunting for the first time in
The Coast Guard ship is, the Navy Coast Guard ship finally goes off to hunt for its own. Oh no! ISIS is by. It's not. The mother's nowhere.
Here we are again. We're on a boat right now. And there's 2 submarines behind me. And then that's the other side of the boat. I just wanted y'all to know that. Alright, so we just got back from the field trip and my truck is back. And I'm gonna vlog me getting in my truck for the first time since it's had work done. So it's my truck. I have to lean over. Okay. It didn't unlock. Here, catch these keys. It's the silver one. Yeah. It's hard to unlock from the inside. Get in and lock it and then unlock it.
Fuck, this is like some date rape shit.
I can't. There we go. My horn still doesn't work, but that's alright. That's not how you change it.
Stop.
You're on a
checking
CD.
your presets.
You're on a CD.
Why?
But that's